Cape Fear Valley Medical Center in Fayetteville is no longer accepting United Healthcare insurance. This move has impacted thousands of patients covered by United. WRAL's Gilbert Bays talked with one patient who's trying to figure out exactly what this means for her.
Cape Fear Valley Medical Center stopped accepting insurance from United Healthcare July 25th. That's put some patients in a bind, but the hospital says it has good reasons for the change.
I was really in the dark and very confused.
Sandra Cordes is one of about 17,000 United Healthcare insurance members who received this letter from Cape Fear Valley Medical Center in Fayetteville. It says as of July 25th, the hospital no longer accepts that company's insurance. Cordes says the news was devastating.
And I just had a heart cath 2 years ago at Cape Fear Valley, and it was covered all except for a $125 copay.
Now that Cape Fear is no longer in the United Healthcare network, patients who need hospital care will have to travel to medical centers in places like Lumberton, Southern Pines, and Goldsboro. Cordes says that's an additional financial and emotional hardship.
We live on a fixed income, so we don't have money for extra gas to drive to these other places to have testing done. It's a hardship on our families because instead of being able to take off an hour or two to be with us during our surgery, they got to take the whole day off.
Hospital administrators say doctors' offices and other medical providers with ties to Cape Fear Valley Health System are still accepting United Healthcare insurance. The hospital says the dispute centers around several nationwide issues, including excessive denial of claims by United, unacceptable delays and denials of unauthorization for care, and rates with sub- and post-acute providers so low that some will not take United patients when they are ready to leave the hospital. We reached out to United Healthcare for comment, but have not heard back from them. Now, if you come to the hospital's emergency room, your United Healthcare policy will cover that. But if you get admitted to the hospital, you may end up footing most of that bill. In Fayetteville, Gilbert Bays, WRAL News.
We reached out to Cape Fear Valley. The administrators say they know this might be confusing to a lot of patients, so they've set up a hotline and an email to address some of those questions. Please, if you write them or you call them, let us know how effective that is. That information can be found at the end of this story on WRAL.com.